Millions of years ago, in the ancient, shifting landscapes of North America, a small and energetic lineage of proto-squirrels began to find its footing. This was a time of great climatic change, and as new types of vegetation spread across the continent, these creatures adapted in remarkable ways. As vast coniferous forests expanded, blanketing the land in rich carpets of pine, spruce, and fir, these agile animals discovered a perfect home. Over countless generations, they evolved into the ancestors of the modern red squirrel, developing highly specialized traits: keen senses to navigate the dense canopy, sharp claws for scaling great heights, and an unmatched drive for foraging and caching seeds. From the chilly taiga of the far north to rugged mountain ranges, these squirrels became essential caretakers of the woodlands. By burying countless caches of seeds, many of which were forgotten and later sprouted, they became the forest's quiet gardeners, actively shaping the very environment that sustained them. Today, this storied lineage continues to thrive, with resilient descendants darting through the trees of Baker City. Every time you watch one in your backyard, you are looking at a living legacy, a tiny survivor with roots that stretch back through millions of years of evolutionary history.